Hello everyone, I am Alifia Bhol, a clinical nutritionist and dietitian from Mumbai and owner at Nutraceuticals Diet Clinic. आज हम बात करेंगे रोजमेरी के बारे में, a herb used traditionally and popular for its aromatic flavor and antimicrobial properties. Rosemary is a native to Mediterranean region and you must have come across its uses in culinary arts, in essential oils, और इन कॉस्मेटिक्स. पर क्या आपको रोजमेरी के फायदों के बारे में पता है? कम, लेट्स फाइंड आउट. फर्स्ट वन, फॉर रिमेम्बरेंस. Rosemary brings about mental clarity, alertness, and a positive effect on brain, memory, and concentration. Carminative. In Europe, rosemary is often used to treat indigestion. Third one, antioxidants और anti-inflammatory के कारण rosemary immunity और cancer के लिए बेहतरीन है. Rosemary herb stimulates blood circulation and it promotes hair growth. Therefore, it prevents graying of hair and dandruff. Rosemary finds its place in our homes and in our kitchens in various ways. For example, rosemary is added to oils. Rosemary leaf is used in seasonings. Mexican foods owe its flavor to rosemary. And rosemary is a perfect replacement for the salty salad dressings. And rosemary tea is widely used too. Approximately 2 cups a day of BestSource Nutrition's rosemary tea is something I recommend. And it is easy to make, the rosemary herb tea by BestSource. It is easy to make and it is tested for quality. Thank you.